Welcome to Dark Tech, your trusted printer experts. Today, we addressed an issue with the Epson L3250 printer, which was non-functional due to a completely dead printhead. Despite sufficient ink levels, the printer was producing blank pages. While a new printhead costs around 4,500 rupees, we successfully restored the existing head without replacement. We offer convenient doorstep repair services at your preferred time, with our experienced team ready to efficiently resolve all your printer-related problems. The printhead has been fully restored and brought back to life. The Epson ink tank printer is now functioning perfectly, restored to its optimal working condition. If you are facing any printer issues, please contact us for service inquiries.
Thank you, Dark Tech Doorstep Repair Services.